Hi, I'm Fiona from Kids Club English, and today I want to show you these Smartest Giant in Town flipbooks. So there's lots of different variations of these, different templates, but to give you an idea, you see you turn the top or the bottom and you create new images. And these are also very similar in concept to these closed flipbooks. So again, there's lots of different kinds of these, but again, turning the top or turning the bottom. So I'm going to show you the different templates that we've got available and how we make them. And then, that might inspire you to be able to create your own. Okay, here we go. Alright, so some ideas for how you can practice English while you're making these. Well, you could cut out the book segments beforehand, not cutting along the middle, but the different parts, the different pages, and you could have them scattered around the room and then use different language to get them to identify the correct pages. So for example, from the story, you could say, ask questions. So what does the giant give the giraffe? It's a tie. Okay, and then they go and they find the page with the tie on it. You could give different pages to different students, and then they can go around and ask for the different pages. So can I have the pajamas please? Or can I have the goat please? You could make it a treasure hunt in that way as well. So having them find the different pages depending on, saying the clothes, saying the animals, saying the emotions in the case of this book. Obviously you can use lots of classroom language while they're making this as well. So the folding, cutting, all of that, asking for things. After you've made it, some ideas, you can play listen and point games. So, the giant is wearing a jacket, and then they can turn the page to see the jacket. They could play guessing games with each other, so they could choose their own combination and then ask each other. So, is it the giraffe? Yes, it is. Is it wearing a jumper? No, it isn't. Is it wearing a jacket? Yes, it is. Okay. So they can play guessing games like that. They could do true or false. So saying like 2 true sentences and 1 false sentence about each picture for their partner to say what's true, what's false. You can obviously use this to tell parts of the story and encouraging them to show their parents this. Apart from, of course, the practice that you can have either with these freestyle sheets, writing different sentences, or doing the gap fill with the different close vocabulary, or the labelling templates as well. So lots of ideas. If you've got more, please add them to the comments below. Okay, thank you.